Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to show you one of the coolest gadgets in my toolkit, the Flipper Zero. This tiny device looks like a toy, but it's actually a powerful multi-tool for exploring and testing digital and wireless systems. It can interact with RFID cards, NFC tags, remotes, and other wireless devices you use every day. If you're into cybersecurity, electronics, or just love smart gadgets, stay tuned. Let's power it on and get started. Key educational components include NFC and RFID for access card technology learning, infrared for remote control signal analysis, Sub-1 GHz radio for understanding wireless protocols, Bluetooth Low Energy GPIO pins for electronics and prototyping. This device should only be used on your own devices or systems where you have explicit permission. Learning security means understanding systems, not misusing them.